I got all in. You impressed, Mr. Wu? I might have run a couple of times. Just a couple. Six? Does that sound right? Oh no, there's one in the gym! No! No! Adam just beat me. No. You gotta be kidding me, Adam. If I hadn't forgotten the gym one, I would have won. Mr. I came in and Mr. was like, oh, that was fast. I forgot the one in the gym. What? You forgot one? You forgot one? Joe Thrower's the winner! Loser! I got everyone but the gym. I came up here, I realized I forgot the gym, went down and came back. Adam forgot when he just ran out. I just won.
Wait, were you walking?
What?
Were you walking?
Not really. It looked like I was walking.
No, I'm running.
I didn't run.
I was running too and Adam just walked. That's why you're so late.
Oh my god. Okay, how many water fountains are there? There's 7, right? 7 water fountains, right?
No.
How many?